back. We're going to do another review today. I have got a wrap from Pizza Bolis. I haven't had a wrap in a while. So we're going to, and there's no other way than to rip this thing, which is not a big deal. It's a buffalo chicken wrap from Pizza Bolis. It's supposed to be a buffalo chicken wrap, so I've got some hot, well, semi-hot ranch stuff over here. See how everything else goes. Alright, so it looks pretty good. I haven't had a wrap in a long time. I just wasn't feeling the sub today. Alright, so yeah. It's a buffalo chicken wrap. I'm sure everybody knows what a buffalo chicken wrap is. And I don't really smell anything hot. But I mean, we can see what happens with that after I take the first bite. We'll see what's going on with it. Plain iced tea. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the buffalo chicken wrap. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's pretty much packed. So here goes nothing. It's got a little bit of spice to it, not much. It's good. Chicken is very moist, nice and soft. It's not hard or anything. The lettuce is nice and crisp. Tomatoes, onions, everything in here, I cannot complain about. You know, I've talked about Pizza Bolis, left, right, front, and center. I can't, other than the pasta, don't go there. I love almost everything they put out. I have not had I haven't had a bad experience really with Pizza Bolis. They're freaking great. And I do taste buffalo sauce in there. So I'm sure it's got buffalo sauce in the wrap. It tastes like a mild buffalo to me. There was no choice as to what temperature to get on this. So it comes how it comes. But I think it's very good. It's a very good sub. Again, this is the buffalo chicken wrap from Pizza Bolis. Let's see if this helps a little bit. This is a Hidden Valley Ranch secret sauce, the original kind. We'll see how that one goes. We're not gonna douse it, but we're gonna give it a good shot. So we got some sauce on there. I thought this had some heat to it. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit. Not much, but it's got a little bit. So it's a little extra. It's a very good wrap. Buffalo chicken is done really nice. It's supposed to be a crispy buffalo chicken. I don't see much breading on the chicken, so I don't know that it was actually fried. But I'm not complaining, really. It's a very good wrap. Oh yeah, it's a little crispy. All right, so the Pizza Bolis buffalo chicken wrap. And like I said, I think it's about a medium. You can't get anything hotter, less hot, or less heat or whatever. It's got romaine lettuce in there, so it's not just iceberg. It's romaine lettuce, chicken, tomatoes. It's got onions. It's a very good wrap. Yeah, I mean, Anyway, I hope everybody has a great night. That's going to do it for my review for the Pizza Bolis buffalo chicken wrap. If you have a Pizza Bolis in your area, I recommend them 100%, and I always will. Pasta is questionable, which we've talked about, and I'm not going to get into. But everything else on the frickin' menu there is great, depending on the staff that you got going in your Pizza Bolis. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and have a great night. I'll see you later.